So prepare book 2 and open page 44. So book 2, page 44, we're gonna learn singular and plural nouns.
Good morning, Miss Hasna. Which page?
Good morning, Samir. We are page book 2, page 44, Yajud. Book 2, page 44.
I heard it 34.
No, 44. So let's start.
Math
Yes, Jude.
43, we didn't do it. Unit 5.
43, it was writing, we wrote it on the copybook. We didn't do it? Yeah, it's so page 43, all of you, not 44. We will read page 43, we didn't do it, yes. You're right, Yajud. So we're gonna go to page 43 and then 44. So unit 5, the theme is city and country. '43, please. I'm gonna start with.
Which page?
Okay, good morning, yes,
Can I read?
Samir, we are on book 2, page 43.
Which page?
43, book 2, page 43.
This can
So,
I do, please,
yes, yes,
please?
Jude, start reading.
Okay. I read from the paragraph or I read the following paragraph?
Read the following paragraph.
Both a house and an apartment in but they have many different. Houses are mostly found in countries. However, apartments are parts of buildings
Okay,
found
Jude.
in cities. Houses are usually wait.
Continue. Houses are
Houses are usually each other, but apartments are too near from each other. This means that people who live in houses have rare
neighborhoods.
neighborhood
Yeah.
neighbors, but those who live in apartments have many neighbors neighbors. To up to sum up, a house and an apartment are people
Residence.
even though they differ in many ways.
Okay, thank you, Jude. Aya, can you read it again? From both, dear. Start from the beginning. Both. Yes, from both.
مش أي صفحة وأي كتاب.
Ahmad, we are on book
Me
2,
not
page
like
43.
page.
Ahmad, page 40,
Me not like you. 43.
page 43, yes, Amir, page 43, on book 2. Four,
Did you say for us or for?
yeah, but we noticed that 43, we didn't do it. 43, all of you, page 43, book 2. Read your ayah, both a house and an apartment. Ayah, are you reading?
House and apartment are people's business.
Yes, I can
Ayah,
hear.
Ayah, I can't hear you also very well, so I'm gonna go to Samir. Samir Bisani, read both a house and an apartment.
Yes.
Read again.
Both a house and an apartment are places to live in, but they have many different houses. Are mostly found in countries. However, apartments are parts of buildings found in cities. Houses are usually apart from each other, while apartments are too near from each other. This means that people who live in houses have rarely
Rare neighbors, few neighbors,
rare neighbors, but those who live in apartments have many neighbors. Neighbors to sum up, a house and an apartment are people's
Then I go to the restroom.
residence. Yes, you can go. Residences.
Even thought
Even
they
though,
differ
yes,
in many ways.
even though they differ in many ways. Thank you, Samir. I'm gonna read it one more time. Please, all of you follow so we can know it's about what exactly. So both a house and an apartment are places. Yes, Jude.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
What?
Yes, Jude. Yes, Jude.
What means where? Where?
Rare, it means a few. I'm gonna read it slowly and I'm gonna explain the words.
Okay.
Okay, dear. So both a house and an apartment are places to live in. So in a house we live and in apartment we can live also, but they have some common things and different things, but they have many differences. Houses are mostly found in countries. So mostly we found houses in countries. However, apartments are parts of buildings. So you find them mostly in cities and in places in towns, but they are rare and few. Found in cities. Houses are usually apart from each other. When I say a house, It's far from your neighbor's house. Houses are far, while apartments are above each other, next to each other. While apartments are too near from each other. This means that people who live in houses have rare neighbors. Rare means few neighbors, not a lot of neighbors. But those who live in apartments have many neighbors. Since they are living in a building, they have many neighbors. To sum up, a house and an apartment are people's residence. To end this up, we say apartments and houses are people's residence. It means where they live, even though they differ in many ways. So they are different in many ways. So let's go to.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes, yeah, Muhammad.
Miss, how the house in the country,
Miss, which book?
the city is also in the country.
Okay, yeah, Muhammad. Here they mean the country, it means the town. Okay, they mean the town.
Book.
Lana, good morning, dear. We are on book 2, page 43. Book 2, page 43. So I'm gonna repeat. I'll read it one more time because Dana joined now, and then I'll go to the questions. We are talking about houses and apartments. So both a house and an apartment are places to live in, but they have many differences. They have many different things. Houses are mostly found in countries. However, apartments are parts of buildings found in cities. Houses are usually apart from each other, while apartments are too near from each other. This means that people who live in houses have rare neighbors. And when I say rare, it means a few. But those who live in apartments have many neighbors. To sum up, a house and an apartment are people's residence. People's residence, it means the place where they live, even though they differ in many ways. So they are different in many ways. Let's answer the questions. I'm going to go to Muhammad Al-Haj. Read the question number 1.
Okay. What are the two things being compared to each other?
So they are comparing what, ya Muhammad? What are the two things they are talking about?
They are talking about the apartment and the house.
So they are
House.
comparing, you're right, ya Muhammad, apartments and houses. So the two things, so Alisar and I don't know if she joined now. Dad and Alisar, she's out. Please, those who join now, we are on book 2, page 43. Alisar joined, yes. So Alisar, we are on book 2, page 43, please. We read a paragraph about apartments and houses. So the two things
Can I question number 2?
being compared are houses and apartments.
So, Miss, can I do question number?
No, yeah, Jude. Jude, you have to wait for a while.
I have finished.
Great, dear. So I want Muhammad Al-Hajjar, read the question number 2.
No, wait.
Miss, I'm still writing.
Okay, dear.
I'm done.
I'm done.
Okay. Muhammad Al-Hajjar, can you read the question number 2?
I'm still writing.
Okay, Muhammad,
Miss,
if you're still writing, copy until Muhammad reads question number 2. Muhammad, can you hear me? Muhammad Al-Hajjar.
Yes, I can hear, but I'm
Oh.
still writing.
Okay, Muhammad, when you're done, read the question number 2.
Okay.
Yes, dear. Yes.
In page 44, can I do exercise 1 number 1?
We will see, Jude, until we reach this page.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Muhammad, you're still late, dear.
في كتير اوكي يلا finished خلص
I have finished.
Okay, Muhammad, read question number 2.
Does the
Writer.
I finished.
Okay, great.
does the writer here
Focus more.
focus more on similars or difference?
Says. So, ya Muhammad, in the paragraph that we read, does the writer focus, it means talk about similarities or differences more? He showed us similar things or different things?
Difference.
So he focused more on differences and he listed many differences. So he focuses on differences more than similarities. So, right, the writer. So the writer here focuses on differences more than similarities. So the writer, write please. The writer here focuses, as you can look at focus, we add ES for it because it ends with S. So the writer here focuses on differences more than similarities. It's not a noun here. So, but you should keep in mind, sometimes we add es and sometimes we add just an s.
I'm done.
Great.
Miss done.
Great, great, everyone. So I'm gonna go to Ahmad. Ahmad, read question number 3.
Miss.
No,
How
no.
many minutes? Miss, how many minutes?
We still have time. We still have time, yeah, Samir, about 15 minutes. Ahmad, can you read question number 3?
Miss White, no.
Okay, dear. Okay, dear.
Yes.
Read the question number 3, ya Ahmad.
What are
I finished.
words words words
Words.
words
Okay, ya Ahmad. Words. Words.
words to show
Yes.
different
I didn't finish yet.
difference. Yeah.
To show differences. Okay, Muhammad, you can take your time. You can take your time copying. Dear, you have to practice on reading. The words are very easy, ya Ahmad. What are the words used to show differences? So what are the words used to show differences? I'm gonna scroll up for a minute to see the words that they use to show differences. So let's see the words that show differences. They are bold typed. It means they are in black. What do you think, Tanya? Tanya, can you be with us? Tanya? Tanya? Okay, Rena, can you tell us some words that tell us differences? Both, some words to show differences. Both shows differences, Yarena. Both, when I say both. Yes? When I say both, it shows differences? No. What about however?
Yeah.
While?
What?
While?
What?
It shows differences or not?
Yes.
What, Yarena? Yes. So we have the words that show differences. Please, all of you wake up and concentrate. So we have some words like both that show similarities, not differences. We have but, however, and while, and even though they show differences, we use it to show differences. So let's write over here some words that show differences are some words that show differences are but, while. So you have but and while, even though, however, and however. So these are found in the text up. So these are words show differences.
I'm
Great, Yasali. Let's wait for our friends. Yes.
Even and
I finished.
What did you say, Ajud? Even though, yes, even though. Even though. Yes, even though is a word to show differences. Repeat.
Finish.
Okay, great. Anyone is still copying? Can I raise and go to number 4?
No, no.
Okay, no need to scream, Dina. No need to scream. No need to scream. If you're not done, you can just say no.
Can I read the last one?
Yeah, you can read the question number 4, yes, Sally. Read, Sally.
Okay. How are they like? What is the clue word?
So, Sally, how are they alike? Apartments and houses.
Apartments, they have more than one people.
How they are alike, same. Are they places to live in?
And
So houses and apartments are places to live in. So both are places to live in. So when I use the word both, it's the clue word. So we say that the two are places to live in. The clue word is clue. It means gives you something about it. So the clue word is both. Malak, stop writing on the screen. Malak. So the clue word is both.
done.
Anyone still writing question number 4? Can I erase and scroll down?
No.
Okay, hurry up, those who are still writing. I'm gonna scroll down and scroll them down with me. So we won't be that late. So number 3 and number 4. So we said both shows similarity, while but even though, however, show differences. They are clue words that helps us write or see the similarities and the differences. Yeah, you're done. Anyone is still writing? You're done. That's great, ya Muhammad. So we're gonna go now to a video about our lesson. I'm gonna erase and directly go to the video before time is up. We still have 3 minutes. Our grammar lesson is about, I'm gonna scroll down to see it's about what? Our grammar lesson is about singular and plural nouns. So we're gonna watch a short video about singular and plural nouns. Let's watch this video very quickly. It's a song. It's about singular and plural nouns.
Hi there. Can you tell me which word is spelled correctly? Boxes, boxes, boxes.
So which word do you think is spelled correctly, is written correctly? The first, the second, or the third? What do you think, ya Malak? Which one? The first, the second, or the third?
The second one. The second.
Okay, let's see if you're right. The second one.
Keep this in mind because we're going to come back to it later. In this video, we're going to learn about singular nouns and plural nouns that end in S, ES, and IES. First of all, do you remember what a noun is? A noun is a person, place, animal, or thing.
So all of you know that a noun, it names a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. So this is what
Things.
a noun.
The session is done.
Then what's a singular noun? A singular noun means that there is one of something. A good way to remember this is that the word singular has the word single in it, which means there's only one.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video now. We're gonna go back to this video tomorrow.